Imagine an AI that remembers your dietary choices, your debugging style, and even that project you worked on months ago, all without you having to repeat yourself. This isn't science fiction anymore. Google has just released a comprehensive 70-page white paper detailing how they're building truly intelligent AI systems. The real breakthrough isn't about making models bigger. It's about mastering context. In this video, we'll break down what context engineering really means, why it's the foundation of next-generation AI, and how Google's approach is changing the game for everyone building AI products today. Context engineering is all about assembling exactly the right information at exactly the right time for an AI system. It's not about stuffing every bit of data into a model, but about strategically selecting what matters most for the current moment. This includes understanding user intent, recalling relevant conversation history, retrieving general facts, leveraging long-term user memory, and integrating real-time tool outputs. The magic lies in knowing which pieces of information are crucial for each interaction, making AI feel truly personal and responsive. Without good context engineering, AI assistants can make embarrassing mistakes like recommending a steakhouse to a vegan. But with great context engineering, AI remembers your preferences, your favorite cuisines, and even your music tolerance, all without you having to repeat yourself. This is what separates useful, memorable AI products from those that quickly get abandoned. Context is what makes AI feel like it truly understands and adapts to you. In Google's framework, a session is like a workbench, a single conversation with a clear start and end. Each session contains events like user messages and AI responses, maintains state with accumulated context, and follows a life cycle from start to close. The key insight is that while sessions end, the learnings persist. This separation allows AI to be both stateful, remembering relevant context, and efficient, without carrying unnecessary baggage from every past interaction. Google distinguishes between two types of memory in AI, declarative and procedural. Declarative memory stores static facts and preferences, like dietary restrictions or preferred programming languages. Procedural memory captures dynamic behavior patterns, such as how you debug code or make decisions. Together, these memories enable AI to not only know about you, but also to work with you in a way that feels natural and supportive. A major breakthrough in Google's approach is letting large language models, LLMs, generate and manage their own memories. During each session, the LLM extracts information worth remembering, consolidates it with existing memories, and loads it into vector databases for semantic retrieval. This process turns every interaction into an opportunity for the AI to learn more about you, making it smarter and more helpful over time. For AI to be trustworthy, it needs to track the provenance of every memory, where it came from, when it was updated, and how confident the system is in its accuracy. This metadata acts as a debugging layer, allowing developers and users to trace back errors and improve the system. Provenance is especially critical at scale, ensuring that AI remains reliable and transparent as it serves millions of users. Not every memory is relevant to every context. Google's system distinguishes between proactive, push, and reactive, pull, retrieval. Proactive memories, like your name or allergies, are always included. Reactive memories, such as past project details, are retrieved only when relevant. This balance ensures that the AI uses context space efficiently, providing just the right information at the right time. Building AI demos with memory is easy, but scaling to millions of users introduces real challenges. Privacy is paramount. User data must be isolated, encrypted, and compliant with regulations. Performance is critical. Memory retrieval must be instant, and scale requires robust infrastructure, including vector databases and distributed memory stores. Google's approach addresses these challenges head-on, setting the standard for production-ready AI. At the heart of Google's system is the orchestration layer, which brings everything together for each query. It parses user intent, retrieves memories, fetches external knowledge, calls tools for real-time data, assembles the optimal context, generates a response, and extracts new memories, all in milliseconds. This seamless orchestration is what enables AI to deliver truly intelligent, context-aware responses at scale. The difference between AI features and AI products is statefulness. Stateless features require users to repeat themselves, quickly losing their appeal. Stateful products, on the other hand, learn and remember compounding their value over time. Examples like Gmail, Spotify, and Google Photos show how context engineering transforms everyday tools into indispensable companions. Before diving into context engineering, it's essential to master the fundamentals. Retrieval, augmented generation, RAG, for accessing general knowledge, fine-tuning for customizing behavior, and prompt engineering for shaping responses. Context engineering combines all three, layering in memory for truly personalized AI. Mastering these basics is the first step toward building advanced AI systems. Context engineering isn't just theory, it's powering real applications right now. Coding assistants use sessions for debugging, declarative memory for tech stacks, and procedural memory for debugging styles. Writing assistants remember your tone and editing style. Personal assistants manage preferences, contacts, and decision patterns. Across domains, the pattern is clear. Sessions, two-tier memory, intelligent retrieval, and continuous learning. Implementing context engineering at scale isn't easy. Cold start problems mean new users have no memories yet. Memory conflicts arise as preferences change. Memory bloat can pollute context with irrelevant data. Privacy concerns demand transparency and user control. Google's framework addresses these with intelligent defaults, confidence scoring, memory expiration, and robust privacy controls. But these are non-trivial challenges every AI team must face. Google's white paper isn't just a technical document, it's a blueprint for the future of AI. In the near term, every major AI product will have memory, and users will expect it. In the medium term, AI assistants will understand your working style and manage multi-session projects. In the long term, AI colleagues may know you better than humans, with persistent digital memory that outlasts individual products. Context engineering is the foundation for all of this, and mastering it is now the baseline for anyone building AI products.